Hi, this is just a brief look at the sporting event search engine that I developed. This is sort of a prototype for what would be possible. Um, Go ahead and log in here. Now, the data in this database is kind of outdated at this point, um, but we can click and see events in the past. Now, basically, the main idea here is that you can have a list of events here that are narrowed by what's visible on the map. So you would have various organizations come in, post their events. They'd show up on the map, and then depending on where your map was, you'd see this limited. So I could go ahead and come in here, change my interests. I like swimming, cycling, save changes. And you can see more events. And then you can go ahead and filter these out, say, oh, I want to see all events, not just the ones that match my interests. And, well, you see the same three here, but if we zoom out to somewhere that, let's say, might have more events, like on the East Coast, no. There we go. So, nice big list of events. We can go ahead and click on this event here. Give us some more details about the event. I get the option of following it. Can export it to my own iCal calendar or Google Calendar, whichever. Get a live discussion here. Now, I don't have my phone handy, but if we were to have the phone out right now, I could add comments in there. Could ask something like, hey, what should I bring? Post appears right here. And then other users can go ahead and comment on that. As administrator, I have the ability to delete the post. Also the ability to share it. Gives me a little link. So yeah, basically the whole idea here is, just quick, easy, one-stop shop to get people finding these sports events. I click here and I get the organization hosting the event. Now, as I mentioned before, that this data is somewhat old, so it doesn't show any upcoming events in the bottom here. But if there were some coming in the next few months or so, it would show them. Shows a running calendar of what's happening. I actually see on the calendar here, this is marked blue because I followed it recently. If I go home, let's say I can't remember what that one event I was following was. I really want to go to it. I know it's sometime in May. Click on my calendar up here. Oh, there it is, highlighted in blue. Click right into it. I can export it to my calendar. I can just go click on the event details, get everything I need. Oh, here's the address. And I get a nice little map there. And my business partners here came up with the descriptions on some of these events. So it's a Forrest Gump themed forest run. Anyways, click back to discussion. Oh, there's that comment I posted earlier. They kind of get the running reply, comment type section. If I click on the person who commented, I get some interesting profile stuff. We didn't really flesh that out very much. One last feature I wanted to mention is that we do have the ability to search for events or organizations. So if I search for Forest, it's currently narrowed down to where my home location is marked, but if I search beyond that, oh, there's that one on the East Coast. Boom, right in there. So that's kind of a brief overview. There's quite a bit else that this does, but that pretty much highlights the main functionality of the system.